Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm putting my arm around Pops.
What are you doing?
This? Well, this car has a slight problem. See this?
See what? Oh boy.
That's not good.
Wonderful.
You've been doing too many burnouts.
I just put these tires on. What are they made out of? Like eraser rubber? What is this? They're low.
Look, they're low, but over here there's no threads. Treads. You know why it's doing that?
Yeah, because something's out of whack.
Right. The alignment's good. When you're driving down the road, when your foot's off the gas, it pulls to the right. When you go on the gas, it doesn't pull.
Straightens out?
Straightens out.
What do you think it is? What's letting
Well,
move?
the bushings are bad.
Bada bing.
Right.
That's it.
So instead of just getting bushings, you might as well just get a whole control arm.
No, but they sell them one piece.
They sell them one piece.
I don't even know if they sell them separate because it wasn't worth the 3 minutes that it took to ask the question. Just change it. But they might sell them separate. For what they cost, it's not worth it. Just change the whole control arm and get it over with. You know what I'm saying? Then you got a new ball joint and everything. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yeah.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Can I have a screwdriver? You know where this was?
Where?
On the trunk of on the hatchback of the Scirocco junk car outside. Must have been there for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I walk by it all the time. You think one time I could have been like, oh shit, look, my lighter. Not even once in like 2 weeks. And then the third week I said, oh shit, here's my lighter. I know a guy that used to talk like that. He used to go, well, you know, Pontiacs are good cars, you know. They used to win a lot of races back in the day. Yeah. And he used to put the drag slicks on it. That car was so fast with the slicks that you would never let it slip. And he smelled like fish, this guy. He smelled like bad, expired fish.
What kind of fish? Cod? Salmon? Haddock? Haddock.
Man, that thing, what rubber? That's not rubber. That's a piece of mozzarella holding everything together.
No. It's got garlic on it.
Oh, man. It's all over the place, up and down, left and right. You got a new one? You got the new thing?
You want to see?
The bag has more consistency than the rest of the car.
Oh my god, dude, you have to smell inside.
No.
It smells like bad apple pie. Like that's
well,
fresh.
You gotta let me f***ing smell. Come on, we gotta hurry up. Oh. Yo. I gotta hurry. I need my car. Actually, I'm surprised it still works. It rained and snowed.
I know.
It lost a little bit of its gloss. Well, what are you gonna do? It's alright, it still works. Kiki Momo, this is a Kiki Momo lighter. This thing, let me tell you, proved itself to me. You know?
Yeah, that's
now blow out the candle whenever you got a minute, alright? Well, I don't know what you're gonna do.
I can't do it.
You're gonna break the thing! Don't do that!
Alright, you got it.
This is how I have to light my cigar, because this pain in the ass is always ready to bust my balls. Ready? How you make it out, Giuseppe?
Good.
Oh, look out, will you, Leroy? When you get your driver's license back, you can't keep picking you up at the bus station every morning. You know, other employees, they won't do that because of a camera guy. What do you want, a Z28 Camaro? Hey, don't we all? What will you settle for so I don't have to pick you up from the train station? Seriously.
Trans Am.
Trans Am. I help everybody. I love Leroy, but, in the morning, I got things to do.
What a disgusting day. It's rainy and rainy.
You know, you pick up a girlfriend. How you gonna go get her? With your BMX bike with the pegs? Come on.
I feel like it's the same wheel every time.
It is. I've been having this problem since I got the car.
Why is it the right wheel?
It catapulted into a ditch.
Oh,
remember?
Okay, never mind.
That's why I got it for like $75. But it was working, so I says, pretty soon I'm gonna take this car. I'm gonna go junk it.
8
Use
years
it for
later.
the winter. 8 years later passed. I still have it. Here it is. Bang. So anyway, it's about time. You're never doing it like that. There you go. Oh, it's like a piece of mozzarella. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's ripping. It's ripping right in here.
Compared to...
That's shot.
I just would like to put this one because it's black.
For show car for Friday.
Easy for you to say.
Start that over again.
I would think so.
For show car purposes. Wasn't even worth it.
Okay.
There we go.
Yep. Let's bolt that in.
All right, put the nut on. Wait.
You're in.
Hey, don't. You got me in my ankle again. All right, let's go for a ride.
Let's go.
Steering wheel. Put the steering wheel straight. Ready for this one? Sometimes a regular eyeball. Bro, you'd be surprised, my man. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go. How you gonna get that back?
I'm gonna pick it up and throw it over the car. We got a nice day over here. No, that's it. Where are you going? I gotta drive it. I'm not going in the water. Back up. All right, you're good. Leave there. It's like day and night. Just a little bit of an alignment you need. Oh my God, it's almost nothing. You just need. It's got to be aligned. You got to check the alignment, and that's it.
Oh.
Oh no, not buses. Oh no.
Kids in that bus.
Oh, they're in there. That means they're done.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.